Now, Storm Watch 12 weather with meteorologist Josh Culbreth.
Welcome back to News Watch 12 this morning. We have a red flag warning that's in place for today, mainly just for Klamath County and for western Lake County, although I think Siskiyou County could be added to this. And if Jackson and Josephine County were a part of this, I wouldn't be too shocked either, because the big threat for today would be the abundance of lightning over critically dry fuels. And the reason our fuels are so dry is because it's just going to be so hot outside today. A little bit cooler compared to yesterday, but still it could be upwards of 110 for the Roger Klamath River valleys, upwards of 105 for the Shasta Valley. For this morning, already feeling very balmy out there, at least for this time of the morning and for this time of the year, as we're still in the 70s for our west side valleys, very comfortable to the east of the Cascades where we're in the 50s and 60s. We're tracking quite a bit for this morning's standards, or at least for this time of the morning's standards, as we are seeing some showers and even some thunderstorms moving through Siskiyou County. In fact, this thunderstorm right here that is right on the border of Siskiyou County and Del Norte County, this one is producing quite a bit of lightning, so it'll be interesting to see if we have any fire starts in the Six Rivers National Forest. Let's go ahead and put the rest of today into motion with Stormcast. We'll stop this right around noon, and I think we'll have a bit of a midday lull, but immediately after that is when we'll start to see some showers and thunderstorms popping up. Definitely more widespread compared to what we're seeing this morning and compared to what we saw for yesterday. So I think all of us have a pretty good chance, or let me rephrase, all of us have a similar chance of seeing some showers and thunderstorms right around 10 to 20%. And I don't think it's going to be a lot of showers. I think it's mainly going to be some lightning accompanied with very little rain and lots of gusty winds, which will also pose a risk to spread fires in a pretty rapid fashion. And then into Wednesday, it's going to be the same thing. More showers and thunderstorms popping up into the afternoon and evening, although it's looking a little bit more widespread this go around. And I think we could have even more coverage as we head into Thursday. So for today, we'll have highs that'll be well above average once again, well into the triple digits for west side valleys. And of course, the air quality is going to be much more reduced today as opposed to yesterday, just because we're starting to get some thicker smoke from the Bedrock fire and from the Lookout fire, especially for Klamath and Lake counties. But that air quality advisory is also in place for Jackson County. And then for tonight, very mild / balmy once again. We're going to track some of the thickest smoke for the east side, and then we'll cool things off over the next 7 days. That's going to be the bottom line. It's the good news. The bad news is that we have several chances for lightning in the forecast. Thunderstorm chances staying pretty consistent, although it looks like Thursday could be one of the more active days. And then we're also tracking Sunday pretty closely. And so that combination of dry fuels, hot temperatures, lightning, all that contributing to extreme fire weather impacts for Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Here's the 7-day forecast for the coast. We'll see several chances for showers over the next 7 days, but it's looking like it's just going to be showers. The lightning is going to be reserved for inland spots, including for Siskiyou County, where we'll have several chances of lightning. Subsequently, we'll have several chances for fire starts. For the basin, also tracking the same thing. We have a red flag warning in place for today, and then a fire weather watch that's in place for tomorrow. The same thing for the mountains, where fuels are also pretty dry. And then for the Rogue Valley, just more oppressive heat, pretty close to 110 for both Tuesday and Wednesday, then cooling off into the rest of the week.